I'm at the office right now. As you can hear Papa Roach, so let me just make it a song. Excuse me. Let me change it to another song. An instrumental song. Here we go. Okay, so this is a compression sustainer CS3 from Boss. According to the owner of this one, once he's playing the guitar and turns this one on, sometimes the sound fades out. So there might be a loose connection inside it, or it could be that the output or input jacks already has rust on it, so it's not connecting well. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's see what's happening and try to fix it. It's hard to do this alone, and I don't have a clamp. So I can see here, there are no loose connections. Nothing, so what I'm gonna do is clean those terminals out. Hopefully it would fix it. So I cannot do the cleaning and holding this camera at the same time, so I'm gonna put it in the sides. Hopefully it would see the whole view. See?